नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम. इयत्ता 6वी गणित, गुणोत्तर व प्रमाण, मॅथ्स, रेशो and proportion. Dear friends, in the last video, we have learned about ratio and proportion. What is ratio and what is proportion? Now in this example, you will see that one child is there and he is having 4 books. How many books he has? 4 books. Therefore, the ratio of this, we will denote it as 1:4. One child, 1:4 means one child has 4 books, right? So what is a ratio? A ratio is a way to show a relationship or compare two numbers of the same kind. Now we use ratios to compare things of the same type. Remember, we use ratios to compare things to the same type. For example, we may use a ratio to compare the number of boys to the number of girls in your classroom, right? Now, the important things about this ratio, महत्वाच्या गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या आहेत बघा. काय करायचे आहेत? When finding the ratio of two quantities of the same kind, their measures must be in the same units. एकाच प्रकारच्या मापनांचे गुणोत्तर काढताना त्या मापनांची एकके समान असली पाहिजेत. उदाहरणार्थ या ठिकाणी मुलगी आणि मुली आहेत. या मुलांचं वजनाचं आपल्याला जर गुणोत्तर काढायचं असेल तर ते वजन आपल्याला एकाच एककात असणं आवश्यक आहे. सो ग्रॅम टू ग्रॅम और किलोग्राम टू किलोग्राम. ओके. Now some examples on these ratio and proportion. Now there is a bag of candy. Now read the example carefully. There are 6 blue candies, 5 yellow candies, 1 red candy and 12 green candies. Write the following ratios. Okay. Now there is a bag of candy. See here. 5 yellow candies are there. 12 green candies are there. 6 blue candies are there and only 1 red candy. Okay. Now we have to write the ratios. What is asked? The number of red candies to the number of blue candies, number of green and red candies to the number of blue candies, and the number of yellow candies to total number of candies. Now dear friends, last example we have seen this type of example. What we have to do? Yes, we have to make a table, right? So color, that is color of candies and number of candies. Now number of red candies 1, blue candies 6, yellow 5 and green 12. Okay. Therefore there are total, make the total of these. How many? Yes, 24 candies in all. Okay. Now we will go for the first question. What is the first? Ratio of the number of red candies to the number of blue candies. Now red candies, how many red candies are there? 1. And blue candies, there are 6. Therefore their ratio will be, yes, 1/6. What is the ratio? 1/6. Okay. Second one, same table and the question, what is the number of green and red candies to the number of blue candies. Now see here, number of green and red candies. Green, this one is green right, and red candies. Okay, so we have to add these two. So number of green and red are 13 and blue, that is 6. Therefore the ratio will be 13 upon 6. Okay. Next one, again table. Now in the number of yellow candies to the number of total number of candies. Okay. Now yellow candies, how many yellow candies are there? Yes, 5. And total 24. Therefore their ratio will be, now order is important. First one is yellow, therefore 5 upon 24. This is the ratio. Okay. Same type of example. Now in this case there are number of tiles and they are of different colors, right? Now we have to solve this example. Same type, again we have to make the table, color and number of tiles. Now which colors are there? Red, blue, purple, green. Okay. Now number of tiles we will calculate and write down over here. Red number of tiles, how many? 3. Blue, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore 6. Purple, 1, 2. So 2. And green, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore green tiles 4. Now in all total, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3s are 15. Now do the addition of this. See whether you are right or wrong. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Right? Means there are total 15 tiles in all. Now the first one. Total number of tiles to the number of blue tiles. Now see here. Total number of tiles. First what here is asked? Total number and then blue tiles. So the answer will be a ratio of total number of tiles to the number of blue tiles will be equal to 15 upon 6. Okay. Now again we will 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. Right. So the answer will be 5 upon 2. This is the ratio of total number of tiles to the number of blue tiles. Second one, number of green and red tiles to the number of purple tiles. Now green and red. Now green 4 and red. So in all, how total number of green and red will be how many? Yes, 7. And to the number of purple tiles. Purple tiles are how many? 2. Okay. Therefore, the ratio of total number of green and red tiles to the number of purple tiles will be equal to, first one we have to take total green and red, that is 7. So 7 upon 2. Right. So answer will be 7 upon 2. So these are the some types of examples on the ratio and proportion. Dear friends, try to solve as many examples as of these types. Thank you.